In this video, we will see about count sort. The data structure used in count sort is an array. So, we will see how count sort works, and we will take an example of this given array. Count sort work by indexing techniques. The maximum element of the array is selected, and then another array named as count is declared, which ranges from 0 to the maximum number. In this case, the maximum number is 8, so the count array will range from 0 to 8. Now let me draw the count array. So this is an count array which will have 0 to 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The number of elements in each position are counted at the start. The number at each index position is the value stored is 0, and then it is incremented by 1 if any element while traversing through the original array is found. So first 3 is found, so the value of 3 will be incremented by 1. So this is what all elements in count array are set to 0. That is what I have to. So let's start. Count array basically uses indexing methods for sorting. At first it counts the number of positions in which number of elements at that position. So let's travel through array 3, so 1 is incremented, then 5, 1 is incremented, then 8, 1 is incremented, then 6, 1 is incremented, then again for 5 previously the value was 1, then again 1 is incremented, so it becomes 2. Then for the next position it is 1, so again 1 is incremented, then it is 8, so the previous value is changed, incremented by 1, so it becomes 2. Again for 5 it is incremented by 1, so it will become 3. Next 0 is incremented by 1. Now next all the other elements are marked with 0, remaining elements. Next the count array is modified, that is it is basically positions at previous index are added to the present index, that is 0. Let's take value at 0th position is 1, that is it will be stored as 1. Then next position it is 1, so 1 plus 1 it will be 2. Next position for 2 it is 0, so 2, and for 1 it will be 2, so 2 will be added to 0. For next position it is number of 3's will be 1, and then at 2 it was 2, so 1 will be added to 2, it will be 3. Similarly it will be done for all the array elements, and now it becomes like 1 2 2 3 3 6 7 7 9. The formula is C of I equals to C of I plus C of I minus 1, and where I range from 1 to kth position, that is the max element of that array A. After the count array is modified, then the array A is sorted. How it is sorted? For more stability, we will begin from the end of that array. So let's create number the array elements. So 0 1 2. I've made a mistake, so it will start from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So next the number at the position in the previous array A will be checked. We will traverse from the last to first position of that array. So at 9th position it is 0, So in this modified count sort we will see the position of 0. It is 1, so 0 will be added at first position, and the the count array will be modified by subtracting 1 from the 0th index. Now it was 5, so 5 will be added at 6th position, and minus 1 will be done from the count array of 5. So it was next 8. So 8 was at position 9. So 8 will be added at position 9, and it will be, and from count array 1 will be subtracted from that to show the next position of 8. Now the next element in that array was 1, so 1 is at the second position, so 1 will be added at second position, and then I mistakenly added here 1 at third position, but 1 will be added at second position. So similarly for 6 it will be done by adding 6 at 7th position and subtracting 1 from the count of 6 in position. Now 8 will be added at 8th position, and in count array the 8th index will be subtracted by 1. Now 5 will be added at 4th position, and again the count array will be modified, and then 3 will be added at the 3rd position, and here I have told that I have made mistake by adding 1 at 3rd position, but 1 will be added at 2nd position and 3 will be added at 3rd position. This was how the counting sort algorithm works. This is basically a key type algorithm where it matches key values with the numbers. The array is sorted, and the time complexity of this algorithm is O to the power n. O in bracket n.